My name is Piyush and welcome to Great Entrepreneurs. Friends, a myth is floating in the market that those who have given their 10th and 12th board exams during the pandemic, they are not going to get a good job or college because actually they have not given a proper exam. But this is not true actually. Though this pandemic has left many of us in shutters, it has given a headroom of growth and opportunity. Many new edtech platforms such as Skillshare, Great Learning, etc. have evolved through which you can learn a new skill, you can learn many things from that and then you can encash them in the future. Some platforms have evolved specially because of the pandemic and some were very famous prior to that also. But the point is not that. The point is that those who have given a very good time, they have invested their time in learning, are going to get the fruits of it in the future, predominantly the post-pandemic. So the idea is that they need to learn a new skill and then they need to encash it. They don't need to encash it just now, but if they have learned it well and practiced it throughout the pandemic, then after the pandemic their skills are going to be in high demand. So if you have started already, then it's well and good, but if you are not, this video is for you.
Right.
Skill number 1 is content writing. So what is content writing? As you know that during this pandemic many new edtech platforms have evolved, but in spite of that, other than that, many new creators have also flourished. Many YouTube and Instagram and other social media creators, video content creators and all other creators have flourished during the pandemic. So what have they made? What happened such that they flourished during the pandemic? So number one thing is for all time and evergreen thing is that you have to have good content. If you don't have a good content, then it is of no use. You are not going to flourish. But other than content, you have to have many viewers. You need to have viewers. During the lockdown situation was on, so people were going more on YouTube ever since the YouTube had started. I think it had the most traffic during this pandemic, during the lockdown especially. So this was the reason why many new creators have flourished. So the content is the king these days. So you are learning these skills, the skill of content writing, that you are going to write content for them which they are going to enact or narrate for their audience. So firstly you can start with free platforms such as medium.com and linkedin.com, and after that, after you have 50 or 60 articles, you can even get internship and full-time jobs in corporate, as well as you can work for YouTubers. So this was my point number 1, which was content writing. Point number 2 is graphic designing. The graphic designing is a thing that what you see a template. If you see a advertisement, a graphic designer has made that advertisement the main banner of it. If you see a YouTube thumbnail, that YouTube thumbnail is also made by graphic designers. If you see any kind of infographics, that is also made by graphic designers. So graphic designers also play a very important role in these days, because many people have also grown in Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook, which Facebook is obviously, it pays for content creation, it pays for video content more, but for Instagram, their posts have to be made very properly. Good posts, they have to make very good posts, so they would require graphic designers. And not only them, you see the ads, that those ads also made by graphic designers. So for that, graphic designers play a very important role. So to start with, you can download any cracked software like Adobe Illustrator or some other cracked software, because these subscriptions are very expensive, so normal people can't afford it. So after that, you can, as you grow, then you can get the premium subscription, and you can join a training or you can get a course from platforms which I just mentioned like Great Learning, like Skillshare, like Udemy. There you will get many graphic designing courses for free, and some are also paid. So you are learning from there, you are making content, you are making your designs and then posting it on Instagram. And when you have grown enough, you have a lot of growth, you have around 10k, 15k, 20k followers, then you can start with your own Instagram empire also. And if you don't want to make content for the graphics for yourself only, then you can also work for corporates. So this is the thing, that the second thing was the second skill which you can learn and flourish in the post-pandemic time was graphic design. Number 3, content creation. So what is content creation? That point is not content creation, actually the point is video editing. So as you know, video editors were also very predominant in this period, because many of you are very good content creators. You can narrate well, but you can edit well. If you want to edit well, then you have to hire a video editor. So video editing, you can start with any software, suppose Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro or Filmora, and then you can upgrade yourself, upskill yourself, get an internship, and then work for corporates or work for media companies, or you can go and work for freelance projects and YouTubers. So you can also do freelancing. All these 3 skills which I have told, you can do freelancing as well. So what is freelancing? Just I can give you a gist of freelancing, that we are not working for anyone, you are charging on per project basis. Suppose you charge $10 per hour. So if you can project that how much time will it require, and on that you will get the payment, or else you can also get payment per project basis. So you are free, you can work anywhere, you have flexible timing if you do freelancing. So the point number 4 which I am going to tell, there also you can do freelancing. The point number 4 is digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? So I told the ads part in the graphic designing. So the ads who may run the ads, those people who run the ad and have good knowledge of the platform are called digital marketers. So they instruct, they work with, they have a cordial relationship with the graphic designer. They work in a synchronized form and curate a very good advertisement, and they can make that advertisement go viral. So if you see any ad on LinkedIn, if you see any ad on Facebook, they are also made by digital marketers. They are made to published by digital marketers. Every company is now on, they are expanding, they are transforming themselves and adapting to digital technology. So they are also starting digital marketing on social media platforms, because they have seen that on the normal ads, the radio ads, the print ads, the TV ads, they are not working, they are not giving that much output. What is the reason? Because the TV serials you can even see on any OTT platforms, the over-the-top platforms like Netflix and Sony Live. And if not, you don't like TV, in the TV what happens that there many ads have come, many lengthy ads, 4 minutes, 5 minutes ads. So people don't like. So on these social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook, there only 1 minute ad or 30-second ads come, and then also only 2 ads per video, or some people also give more ads. But the ad duration is short. Number 1, you can access it anytime on your mobile phone or on your PC, and you don't need to pay anything. You can don't need to get any subscription for that. You use YouTube for free. You can use Facebook for free. So this is the what we call digital marketing. So digital marketing have also specialized. Some people are very specialized on some platforms like WhatsApp marketing expert, Facebook marketing expert, Instagram marketing expert. So then also you can work for, you can specially you can work on any one platform, or you can take the entire digital marketing as a whole. So these were the top 4 skills which you need to learn. You can learn in the pandemic, and after the post-pandemic time, it is going to give a very good fruits of success. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and never miss to hit the bell icon if you want to see my regular videos. Thank you.